Cardi B sued for battery by woman accusing rapper of hurling microphone off stage during 2023 performance. An Ohio woman is suing Cardi B, saying the rapper inexplicably struck her with a microphone thrown during a performance at Dre's Beach Club in Las Vegas in 2023. The woman, named in the complaint as Jane Doe, took her first ever solo trip to Vegas and had been at Cardi's headlining show at Dre's Beach Club on July 29, 2023, according to her complaint filed at the 8th Judicial Court in Clark County, Nevada. Cardi, 32, appeared on stage under visibly high-temperature conditions and, while holding a microphone, verbally requested that the audience splash water on her during her performance, the lawsuit accuses. At the time, the concert clip went viral and featured the Bodak Yellow hitmaker asking the crowd to splash her down, with one condition. Splash me down. That feels good. Stick that in me py, bitch. Come on, she tells onlookers in the video. The video, though, does not make clear whether it was taken before or after the incident happened. The lawsuit states that Cardi repeatedly made gestures and statements encouraging piling on of water, implicitly an authorization and encouragement of the light throwing of water. Doe alleges Cardi also demonstrated her consent and participation when she moved her body in a manner that clearly showed engagement in the activity, and physically reacted to the medium of liquids making contact with her by splashing water from a water bottle over her body to simulate a wet t-shirt effect while on stage, and slapping her buttocks while fans' liquids hit her. According to the lawsuit, Doe, trying to blend in with the crowd and similarity to others present, threw a fraction of her drink on Cardi B. Cardi, in an apparent fit of anger and without any justified reason or excuse, suddenly and violently, with all force, hurled her microphone at her directly, Doe claims, causing her to have immediate apprehension of an imminent harmful contact in the process. The microphone did strike her, she says, after it was tossed, in an offensive and unconsented manner of physical contact and physical injury. That the microphone presented a foreseeable risk of physical injury when thrown, and Cardi should have known it were, in fact, her airborne actions, an unjustified and retaliatory act that resulted in harmful and offensive contact, with Doe added the Grammy winner in her filing. Cardi's actions were excessive, outrageous, and, in a word, violent, and conducted in public, causing further reputational and emotional distress, Doe claims. She has filed a federal lawsuit claiming assault, battery, and negligence, saying that she suffered severe emotional distress, shock, humiliation, and physical injury. The woman is also suing Dre's management group for being negligent. People has contacted Dre's management group for comment. The lawsuit also alleges that at a performance at Dre's Beach Club the night before, Cardi purportedly threw her microphone at a DJ who had been prematurely cutting off her songs during another performance, as seen on TikTok. The Dre's defendants knew or should have known of this prior alleged incident, and that Cardi B posed a foreseeable risk of repeat violent conduct while performing, the suit states. The microphone that was used in the incident was auctioned off for about $99,000 by owner of the Wave, Scott Fisher, which only added to her emotional distress, Doe alleges. She says she has experienced physical pain, emotional distress, reputational damage, embarrassment, and harassment from both the media and members of the public, and is seeking compensatory and punitive damages. The rapper underwent a criminal battery investigation following the episode, but the case against him was eventually dropped over the lack of evidence. In a statement provided to People by Doe's attorney, what has been dismissed as a joke by some individuals is actually a traumatic experience that caused large amounts of distress that has left severe emotional and physical harm and a significant impact on the well-being and financial health on my life. I want justice and to make sure Cardi B is not above the law. The civil complaint, an anonymous upset woman, who was described as the B, who everybody be hating on, has committed an absolute fraud upon the court, Drew Findling, Cardi B's lawyer, said in a statement to Entertainment Weekly. Unfortunately, but not surprising to me, soon to follow I have been financially punished for reporting his abuse, and today I am the one who is unemployed and without a home, yet the party solely responsible for the physical, mental, and financial abuse has his criminal defense attorney, his family, and a willing and very able law firm who has staff willing to help his rampant allegations and public defamation continue. The LVMPD and the District Attorney's Office have long since closed this matter for lack of evidence, and even the Clark County District Attorney's Office has not pursued this matter. Stcalment / having another word and request for statement. Not surprisingly, I have terminated those involved with the party that has started all of this madness, and I have declined those willing to help, but then decided to assault their licenses on social media. The abuse is not occurring now, even though the allegations he makes portray that as another just vicious attempt to harm someone. The Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department and the Clark County District Attorney's Office dismissed this matter, discarded with it a long time ago. But clearly someone decided to try to get some money off of a celebrity for a failed incident, almost it seems.